Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this video. Guys, today in this video, I'm here to explain you about Shemter store reviews. Apart from that, I'll also help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, guys, and the citizens of the United States are looking forward about this particular website to know about this legitimacy. And the site is an online website that is dealing with portable folding rocking chairs and job hunting bags, or you can say recruiting bag. Apart from that, they are offering high capacity genuine leather RFID card case, wallet, coin purse, various Korean backpacks, and various shopping bags with pouches as well. So you will find the different categories of products available on the website. Talking about the prices of these offerings, so the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. However, some prices are pretty high, guys. Now coming to the social media presence of this website. Now guys, talking about the payment information, let's check out the payment info of this website. So at the bottom of the web page, they have provided the payment icons, which are PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, JCB, and American Express. Now coming to the shipping policy of the site. So this is the shipping policy page, guys, and they have provided the country information, and the free standard shipping duration will be 12 to 20 business days. Guys, the shipping cost for free shipping is $0, and the shipping cost for standard shipping will be $6.99. So they have provided the entire information related to shipping and delivery. You can read the entire info for your knowledge, guys. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, this site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. But talking about the domain information, the domain name was created on 12th of March 2021. It means that the site is 19 days old website, and according to our study or research, we have found that this particular domain is registered for 1 year only. So guys, the site can't be trusted on the basis of its domain age factor. So we need to explore the entire information related to this business, and let's check out the About Us page first. So this is the About Us page, guys. Here they have provided the limited content, but this content seems to be copied or suspicious, as they have copied the content from other problematic sites, guys. This is a negative sign or a big red high alert. Now coming to the contact details of this particular website, they have provided the email address and official address on this page, but they have provided suspicious contact details, guys. The email which is given on this web page doesn't matches with the domain name, which is again a characteristic of a scam website. So you should be aware of this factor before making any online purchase. Now coming to the social media presence of this site, guys, we are not able to find any social media icon on the website, which is a negative sign. It means that the site has no social media presence at all. Now checking about the return policy, so let's check out the return policy first. So guys, they have mentioned 14 days of return policy after the receipt of the product. So do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. And coming to Shemter store reviews, guys, we have found no reviews about this site on the internet and on the official website as well, which is again one of the biggest characteristics of a scam and suspicious website. In addition with this, the trust index score of this website is 2%, which is really very bad. It means that this site is not much popular online and it has an unknown trustworthiness score. Guys, also we have found low traffic about this site, as this is a newly launched website, and high number of suspicious websites found on the servers, which is again a negative sign. So guys, there are so many loopholes, including they have copied or used the content of other websites, which is a negative sign, and the website is ranked 0 among millions of other websites according to Alexa Traffic Rank. So based on the following loopholes, we can conclude the review by saying that this website appears to be scam and suspicious. You should stay away from such type of websites, guys. And for money related problem, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.